It's Labor Day, and that means there are all sorts of events to celebrate the many workers who have helped shape this great nation into what it is today. So whether you celebrate by going to a parade, having a backyard barbecue, or taking in all the Labor Day sales, we've got a recipe that's super easy, super tasty, and hardly takes any labor to throw together. All we do is combine a package of softened cream cheese along with a jar of marshmallow cream. And if you've ever tried getting marshmallow cream out of a jar, you know what a sticky mess that can be. So to keep it labor-free, after all, it's Labor Day, make sure you coat a rubber spatula with cooking spray. Okay, once that's mixed, we'll add in some flavoring. And that can be any of the fruity ones, you know, lemon, orange, peach, to the nutty varieties. Or we can keep it basic by using some vanilla. Maybe try a splash of liqueur to give this a real zing. After one last mix, it's ready to serve with anything from fresh fruit to chunks of pound cake. And since it's so good and easy, it's the perfect last-minute addition to today's menu. And it's ideal as an after-school or after-work snack. I do hope you'll go online and get the recipe for our farm stand fruit dip, so you'll be armed with a 3-ingredient favorite that's always welcome. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a labor-free way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.